Hey, King Adam, Ninja Pro Gamer, Ninja Bat. I know you into gaming. I'm having a little issue, little something with my phone whilst gaming. The phone always heating up, and my fingers, my thumbs, and all that are all over the place. Have you got any solution for that?
Yes, I have a solution. I found this control online, H9.0 control with integrated phone that will keep your phone cool.
Wow.
There's triggers included, and you can get that from Amazon or eBay.
Yeah? Oh man, thanks for that. All right, people. We got another one. I hope you're all doing well out there, by the way. Today's all about a H9.0. The unboxing. Before all that, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. So without further ado, let's get down to business. Let's do it, people. Let's do it. Bang, bang. Skirt. Hey, King Adam. Pro Gamer. Ninja Pro Gamer. Do you know what I've got here? I've got what you told me, the solution you gave me about gaming, my mobile gaming. Here it is, the H9.0. This is what we're about to unbox today. Okay, this got an integrated phone. Comes with the trigger. This is gonna help you on your gaming. All right, this is what the box looks like. Okay, my camera gonna be fixed today, and you excuse the quality, so you can play PUBG. All right, I'm gonna tell you more about it in a bit. This is what the box looks like. Made in China. Got this from Amazon. Okay, so we're about to unbox this bad boy and have some fun with it. So you know, thank you for for hooking me up, man.
Okay.
Thanks for that, man. Thanks for that. So, what's inside the box? That's what we're here for. So let's check it out. Let's skirt, man. Open this thing up, man. Okay, we greeted with the, the instruction. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the side. Little extras. Okay, hope my camera can focus on that. We have the USB cable that's gonna allow you to charge it up. Okay, extra tip for your pad. Put it on the side. More tip. All right, they've been generous. That's cool. That is cool. Let me zoom on this. Pretty blur, but we're gonna do with it. It's a new camera that I'm using. All right, let's unbox this thing quickly. So what do we have here? This is what it's all about. Okay, this will go on your screen. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Extendable. Okay, 4 on 6 in terms of the screen size. All right, the triggers are the back right here. Let me zoom on that. All right, this is for your triggers. Bam, 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 bam. You know how you get down when you get down. So have a look. All right. On the side here, there's some cats which gonna allow you to charge your phone whilst playing. The other side, the same thing. And this got good grip, good feel. I'm loving this. It's not bad. I love the feel. Pretty cool. So we're gonna put that to the test in a minute. So yeah. And what else is this? Another. Yeah, we'll check that out. So what's inside the box? What we got inside the box is pretty straightforward. The controller, a couple of cards, all right, and the instruction, the tip. You got a couple of tips right here, and your USB cable to charge your controller. That's what's inside the box. So now we're gonna get down to the gets down, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna show you, so you're gonna understand you can't use your case, your protective case, with the controller. You gotta take it off, all right? So I'm gonna show you how to connect this thing quickly. Give me the phone, please. Thank you. Push your phone in here. You can adjust it. Then, all right. That's one motion. All right. Adjust it. Adjust it. Thing's already touching my screen. I'm gonna put my code off camera, obviously. So by the way, I'm using a Note 8 with this, and that is a 6.3 if I'm correct size. Okay, screen size. All right, I'm gonna leave all the necessary information on screen and down below for you to check out. Okay, so this is what the back looks like. The fan is right here. Okay, I'm gonna make you hear the fan noise in a bit. So as I said, I'm gonna leave all the information right down below. You can play Call of Duty with this PUBG game, Fotnite, and all the heavy duty games out there. All you need to do is to configure, all right, to reconfigure your pad, and that's it, really. Let me power on this fan. Let's see if we can hear the noise of the fan is somewhere here. So if you want to power this thing on, you have to go right here. Let me pause this thing quickly. Let me come out. All right, let me come out quickly. Listen to the fan. It's not too noisy, and this will definitely keep your phone cool whilst playing. Let's do it. I'm gonna come with part 2 anyway. Okay, this is the quick unboxing, so you know what I mean. So out of the box, no need. We're gonna see how this is gonna go. If I need to do any configuration or not. All right, let's go. So play. Instant race. So you still gotta use your fingers in certain instances. Ooh, sorry, mate. Oh, what's going on here? Resume. I think I'm using the wrong pad. All right, that's the correct one now. All right, so your left and right. Woohoo! Left and right trigger. Check out the screen and you get a whole idea. So right now I'm not concentrating because I'm filming same time, so really and truly you can't really get the feel, but this is pretty responsive, very responsive, and this is going to help you a lot, whilst playing, and you ain't got to worry about your phone heating up too much, All right, let me stay on this straight for a couple of seconds at least. All right, that's much better. Boost. Let's go. So you really have to reconfigure the pad, like I said. Yeah, this is pretty dope, man. This is pretty dope. It's pretty dope. The fan is working. Charge it up. You can charge your phone whilst playing, as you can see right there. This is pretty dope. Hey. Alright, other than that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I hope this was helpful. And if so, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here, and we love your support. Let's do it. Peace. Part 2 coming up.